New research suggests there's a 40% chance that at least one of the next 5 years will be 1.5 Celsius hotter than pre-industrial levels. The study for the World Meteorological Organization says rising temperatures mean more melting ice, higher sea levels and extreme weather patterns. Well, our science editor David Shukman joins us now. David, how much of a shock is this?
Well, to many, it's not a huge surprise, but to the scientists doing the work, it's confirmation of yet another step towards potentially dangerous levels of warming. What happened was that scientists at the Met Office and in 10 other countries pooled the results of their modelling efforts to try to work out what's going to happen in the coming years. And that's how they came up with this agreed conclusion that there's a 40% chance, a reasonable possibility, that one of the next 5 years will see that average level reaching 1.5 degrees above the pre-industrial level. They point out that this will be a temporary situation, that natural fluctuations, for example, La Nina in the Pacific, could pull the temperature down again for the next few years. But they do say it's a step towards the Paris Agreement limit of global warming, which is 1.5 degrees. And of course, that with every step that you take towards that, they say that the impacts of global warming could potentially become more severe. And for them, it's just another argument, another piece of evidence for why the world needs to listen to what scientists said some years ago, that the world needs to make dramatic cuts in the emissions of the greenhouse gases that are heating the planet. And that, of course, puts more emphasis than ever before on the climate summit taking place in Glasgow at the end of the year.